Guys, welcome back. Let me show you how I made this dress with cotton fabric. So you get your cotton material and you fold it into four. So you fold it into four. After that, you mark your starting line. After marking your starting line, you take your dress length. From the starting line, you take your dress length. So this is a short dress. The dress length is 35. You mark 2 points to enable you connect a straight line with your ruler. So after connecting the straight line, adding the hem allowance now. So for me, I'm using 1 inch for hem allowance. So after taking the 1 inch, I'll use ruler to connect another straight line to indicate the hem line. Afterwards, I'll be taking the sleeve width. So the width of my sleeve is 14 inches from the starting line. I'll mark that point, then I'll use ruler to mark a straight line. Just like this, connect the straight line. So after connecting the straight line, you take 1 inch below the width of the sleeve, because the person half cut is about 15 inches. So 1 inch below the width is still giving me the same 15 inches. So after marking that line, I've already done the calculation for my bust. The bust I'm using is 38. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5 plus 1 inch, 10.5. That's the 10.5 I just marked, then plus 1 inch seam allowance. So I'll be connecting this line now to the hem line. So after connecting to the hem line, just like this, then I can now cut my fabric. You can see that. So I will cut it out now. Then I'll be separating it, the front from the back. So this is because I want to cut the neck. So this is folding the front. This is me folding the front. After folding the front, then I'll be taking the neck depth. The neck depth is 11.5 inches. That's what I want to use here. 11.5 inches. Then on the neck depth, I'll be taking 1 inch as the neck width for that part. Then on the starting line, I'm taking 3.5 inches neck width. So I will connect these two lines to get my front neck. This is because it's going to have a collar. You see that? So after connecting the straight line, I will cut my front neck. So after cutting the front neck, now the back neck is not difficult. I've already folded the back pattern of the fabric, so I just went down by ½ inch. Then you connect to the front neck width like this. Then after cutting, I'll show you what the front neck looks like. So this is the front neck before the collar. So the next step now will be the material that will be attaching to the sleeve and the collar. So this is the material that will be adding to the sleeve. It's about 30 inches long, and that's 31 inches long, then 6 inches width. So I cut 2 pieces that I'm going to be joining to both sleeve. Then the next one is the collar itself. So it's 2.5 inches and the length is 36 inches. So after cutting that is on fold. Please, you're cutting the fabric on fold. You see, so this is just me trying to fold what the collar will look like when sewn to the dress. So the next step will be to join the shoulder, and that will be the next video. Thank you for watching, and watch out for the next video. If you love this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you.